Hi, Philip Griffith here again. This week it's only 11 weeks till Christmas, and as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you think about doing a framed photo for the home, office, and framed photos really can be anything from something on acrylic, printed on acrylic that you put on your desk or on a coffee table, to frames that you actually put up on the wall and hang in your home. The nice thing about a lot of frames is that they can be changed out. And so year after year, you do a new portrait, the new one goes in. You can change things seasonally or by places. It gives you a lot of flexibility. And you can hang multiple things on your walls in a sort of gallery collection. One of the reasons it's good to have photos out and about in your home, in your office, is that you see them daily and you don't need technology to see them. And that's like making a deposit day in and day out into the identity bank and the self-esteem bank of both you and your children. So it really helps, especially children, to see their loved ones, them with their loved ones on a daily basis. And remember, we here at PSG Photo Solutions are here to help you use your photos to tell your story so that they'll last for generations.